Every cell is covered thin sheet called cell membrane. Cell membrane is also called plasma membrane. Cell membrane encloses with cytoplasm and nucleus. The function of cell membrane, the control of passage material go into the cell and go out from the cell. And the cell membrane protects the cell and gives shape to the cell. Then cytoplasm. Cytoplasm fills the cell between the nucleus and cell membrane. The function of cytoplasm, various structures present in cytoplasm called organelles, like mitochondria, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum. The function of cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a kind of chemical factory. Most of the chemical reaction which keep cell alive takes place in the cytoplasm, like respiration. The most prominent organ present in cytoplasm is nucleus. Nucleus is a large spherical organ present in cytoplasm. Nucleus is the head of the cell. The function of nucleus to control all activities of cell like growth and cell division. Nucleus contain liquid inside which is called nucleoplasm. Nucleus separates from cytoplasm by a membrane called nuclear membrane. Nucleus contains nucleolus and chromatin. Nucleolus is tiny round structure in the nucleus. Nucleus is rich in protein and RNA. RNA, full form of RNA is ribonucleic acid. Is a nucleic acid that it present in all living cells. Its principle act like a messenger from DNA for protein synthesis. Nucleus is site of ribosome formation. Then nucleus. न्यूक्लियस के अंदर क्रोमेटिन मटेरियल होता है, उसके अंदर क्रोमोसोम होता है, जो जब सेल डिवाइड होता है तभी क्रोमोसोम दिखता है. ओनली वी कैन see and the function of chromosome, transfer of characters from one generation to another generation, but through gene. And the nucleus contains DNA. The full form of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. Is a molecule responsible for carrying genetic instruction for growth, function and reproduction, almost in all living organisms.